Let's see next. Planet. Planet definition is, it is a celestial body. As we discussed, a planet is a celestial body. So do not have their own heat and light. Planet do not have heat and light, but stars have heat and light. Planet should not have heat and light. Planet should be depend on the stars, like a sun and moon. In the earth, we are depending on the earth is a planet. We are depending on the sun and moon for the heat and light. In the second, they are lit by the light of the stars. They lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called the planet. The word planet is come from the Greek word that is planetai, which means the wanderers. Planetai means the wanderers. Earth. Earth, as we know that it is a blue planet. Earth is on the which we live. Earth is which we live in the planet. It is a blue planet. It gets all its heat, light from the sun. Earth gets a heat and light from the sun. So Earth is a planet. As we know, planet don't have heat and light. So we are dependent on the heat and for the heat and light. So sun is the nearest to star. Sun is the nearest star to Earth. Earth is neither too hot, too cold. Earth is not too much hot. Earth is not too much cold. It has water and air. Earth has the water, air. And air has the life supporting gases like oxygen. Air is helping us to breathe. So help as a oxygen. And because of this reason, Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. So human being can live in the Earth, so that's why it is called as a unique planet, because Earth has the water plus air to live. From the outer space, Earth appears like a blue color. From the outer space, if you see from the distances, Earth seems like in a blue color. So because of two-thirds of the surface is covered by the water. Earth surface 2/3 of the water surface. Water is there on the surface, 2/3 of the part of the Earth. So that's why we used to call it as a blue planet. Let's see some fact. Light travel at the speed 3 lakh km per second. From sun to Earth. Light travel 3 lakh per second. And at even with this speed, it is very high speed, 3 lakh km per second. Each second it will travel the 3 lakh. Even if it is the high speed, but the light of the sun takes the 8 minutes to reach the Earth. It takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The speed of the light is 3 lakh per second from the sun. It is sun. Takes 8 minutes to reach the sunrise to Earth. Moon is a satellite, we all know. So moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. Moon is a satellite and compassion our Earth and move around it. Moon is the companion of Earth. Earth and moon, they are rotating around the sun. Our Earth, there is a 7 other planets that gets heat, light from the sun. There are 7 other planets plus Earth plus 7 other planets. These are all the depending on the sun for the light and heat. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus has the ring around them. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings around them. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. These are all the belt of these are all the belt of these rings. These rings are small debris Rings are small debris. They may be seen from the Earth with the help of powerful telescope. We can see these small debris of rings of the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Can see by using the telescopes. Let's see solar system. What is the solar system contains? So Sun and 8 planets. Sun plus 8 planets and satellites. Some of the other celestial bodies known as the asteroids, meteoroids form of solar system. Sun, 8 planet, satellites, celestial bodies, asteroids plus meteoroids. These are all form a solar system. So we often call it as a solar family. We also call it as a solar family. The sun is the head. Sun is a head for all this. Sol is a Roman mythology. Means Sol means the sun god. Solar means the related to sun. The family of the sun. Therefore, they called as the solar system. Let's see one by one. Sun. Sun is in the center in the solar system. Sun is at the center in the solar system. Hues are made up of the extremely hot gases. It made up of hot gases. The sun is the ultimate source of the heat and light. Sun is ultimate source of the heat and light. And nearest star. Sun is the nearest star to Earth. Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Sun is the nearest star to Earth. Sun has the heat and light, and it is made up of gas. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. So in order of the distance from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we can remember this code like this: order of the distance from the sun. First one Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and last eighth Neptune. Total 8 planets. We can remember them with easily. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. So with this you can understand the order from the sun. Here is the sun. These are all the one by one distance from the sun. Name of the planet is order their distance. We can use this name. My very efficient mother. First letter from the each word. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Earth is the third nearest place to the sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. Earth is a fifth largest planet in size, third nearest planet to Earth. It's slightly flattened at the poles. This is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means the Earth-like shape. Geoid means it's slightly flattened at the poles. In the moon, our Earth has only one satellite, that is moon. Earth has only one satellite, that is moon only. Its diameter only 1/4 of the Earth. If you compare with the Earth and moon, its diameter only 1/4 of the Earth. It appears so big because it's near to our planet than the other celestial bodies. So it is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from Earth. One spin of the moon takes the 27 days. So moon moves around the Earth about the 27 days. So Earth and moon, these are rotating each other. Moon takes the 27 days to complete the one spin, which means one round from the one from around the Earth. It takes exactly the same time to complete the one spin. The result, one side of the moon is visible to us. So that's why we can see only the one side of the earth, moon sometimes if we see from the earth. So drawbacks from the moon. Moon doesn't have the conditions favorable to live a life. So we can't live in the moon as we are existing in the earth. It has mountains, plains, depression on its surface.